So mom called us, well, called me instead. But I think I have to edit the video, so yeah. Yeah. Grandpa, wait, are you guys staying up? Are you guys staying up?
What was that? I just saw something.
I found Chitty.
I see somebody.
Chitty, are you staying up? Chitty, are you staying up? Yes or no?
I don't know. Yeah.
Because I need help editing my video.
What are you watching?
Wait, I'll see this. I'll see this. Oh, see China laugh. So you guys can enjoy.
China laugh.
China laugh.
China.
I can't press B. Okay, there we go. It lags sometimes. So.
It's a bad portion.
Sorry, it lags sometimes. So.
Wait, you can't throw it.
Wait, go sleep, guys. Go sleep first, so we can see bright and early. Oh, shoot. Guys, let's sleep together. There we go. I definitely.
That sounds weird.
No.
Let's sleep together.
I don't think it's that way. You guys are supposed to
Let's
sleep.
sleep together.
Hurry up, guys, sleep. What are you guys doing?
I'm doing.
Go. No, what? Wait, don't sleep. I'm gonna do this then.
No.
No, zombies in here. Kill these.
No.
I can't see.
Boom, 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 boom.
Zombies.
Boom, boom, boom.
I got weakness. That means I'm not powerful anymore.
Move your head.
Movie thing?
I don't have weakness.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
you do.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
So I put. I
It's
took.
poison.
Somebody took.
All right, guys.
What the?
My room. Not a move.
Yeah.
You move. You remove the frog's head.
That creeper's gonna die. It's poison.
You're a creeper. So what did your friend text you?
Creeper died.
Turn us. So we have to get out.
Your friend text you that? Like, yeah.
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 So we're gonna.
Bye, guys. Yeah.